Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into a Google account on your iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Open settings. Tap the settings app. Step 3. Go to the mail settings. Scroll down, then tap on apps, then search for mail app. Tap on it, then tap on mail accounts. Step 4. Add account. Tap add account to add a new email or Google account. Step 5. Choose Google. From the list of account types, tap Google. Step 6. Enter your Google email address. A sign in page from Google will appear. Enter your email, Gmail or Google email address. Then tap next. Step 7. Enter your password. Type your Google account password. Then tap next. Step 8. Complete verification. If Google asks for verification code or confirmation, follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity. Step 9. Choose what to sync. Click what you want to sync, such as mail, contacts, calendars or notes. Then tap save. Step 10. You are signed in. Your Google account is now signed in and connected to your iPhone. And that's how to sign into a Google account on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.